Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So if you have embedded AMD Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics or the old GPU, and customized AMD Radeon OEM systems. So this is three possible codes that need a special driver, not the adrenaline driver. So the first one, embedded AMD Radeon graphic. You can visit AMD driver and support in order to search the embedded graphics driver. So here you can use search or browse drivers and support by product. You can select graphics and you can try to search Radeon embedded. You can click and select your embedded series, for example the HD series and AMD Radeon HD 5770 embedded. After you find your graphic driver, you can submit and try to search by your operating system. Here we go, AMD embedded GPU and APU Windows 7 64 or 32-bit version. Here you can download freely. And also the second one is the legacy. Here if you have all your old GPU on this list, if you have one, please you can download the legacy driver. And also this is the APU series. Now you can go back and select your graphics. So you can reload again, sorry. Here you can select graphics, select the legacy graphics. Search your Radeon series. For example, the Radeon 7000 series. This is not AMD because this is an old one. It's come with ATI, 80 Radeon. Submit, and here we go. This is the Catalyst, the classic one, Catalyst software sheet. You can download it. And last is the customized AMD Radeon graphic for OEM system. So you can obtain the driver, latest driver from the OEM system builder or partner manufacturer. So you can visit official website of your OEMs and partner manufacturer in order to get new latest driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, press button below. See you in the next video.